Welcome back to my channel. I'm Fingerbeats, and in this video, this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make an Amapiano beat. Very dope Amapiano beat. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So in this video, I'll be using this beat that I already made as a reference, as an example to show you how to make a very banging Amapiano beat, showing you all the sounds that I use, the plugins that I use, and everything that is done on this beat. So before we start, let me just play the beat so we listen to it. You listen to it, then after listening to it, then we talk about it. So guys, that's how it sounds. So let's now start by showing you everything that I use, how I make this beat sound this way, and all plugins that I use. Let me show you. So let me first mute everything. So now let's start from the snare. Let's see how this is the snare. So, and after the snare, I added rim shots. So then after that, I also added this. And by the way, I already made a video on how to make 3 major pattern of Amapiano drums. So you can just check on my previous videos, then you see the video I make on how to make an Amapiano drum loop. So after that, I also added clap. Added a clap. And I added the hi-hat. Now we have the conga. The conga. Another conga. Another conga. So the third conga. So you can feel that. So after that, I added this also. Added this percussion. that, I added the kick. I guess now you can feel the vibe, the Amapiano drum vibe. Now you can feel the Amapiano drum vibe. So that's the vibe. So after that, I added a shaker loop, 2 shaker. The first one is this. That's the first shaker loop. So I added the second shaker loop. You need to use your headphones so you can hear everything clearly. So now this is the beat, the drum. Now we have the drum. Now let's move to the melodies. So the first thing I added is the chord, and I use Launch Lizard for it. Let me show you the plugin I use. This is the plugin I use for it, and this is how it sounds. This is the chord progression. This is the chord progression for the beat. That's the chord progression. So after the chord progression, then I also added this to support the chord from, I used Peculiar Sound, and this is the one that I use, the keypad, just to support the chord. So let's listen to it. You can hear that this comes with a little bit of ambience. They get, so I use this to support the chord. So that's that. And after that, I also added the bass, and I used sorry about that. I use sim bass for the bass. Come on, let it load up. I just want to show you the plugin. What's going on? So this is the plugin that I use, Chisomisphere. So now using bass. So now let's listen to it, just to support and go with the chord. So that's the bass. That's the bass that I use. So after that, I added another sound, which is more or less like the timekeeper, and I use Nexus for it. There's no exhaust for it. So let's listen to what it sounds like. So it's more or less like the timekeeper. So then after that, I added this. And this from Nexus also. So and this how it sounds like, also more or less like a timekeeper. So it's more or less like a timekeeper, just to you get. So then after that, I also added another pad from Peculiar Sound. From Peculiar Sounds. This is what I added, soft flute pad. So it's just to add ambience. So that's that. And after that, I added another pad from Purity, the tremolo signal from Purity, and it sounds like this. So then after that, I also added this, also from Purity, and this is what I use, echo drops. So let's listen to how it sounds. That's how it sounds. So then after that, I added another timekeeper from Nexus. Another timekeeper from Nexus. You can see this is also from Nexus, and this is how it sounds. Also from Nexus. It's a timekeeper. So that's that. So sorry. Okay, this is the FX. So, and I also added a saxophone from I got that from Splice. So let's hear what it sounds like. Sorry. So I picked that from Splice. So now I added the long drum. I added my log drums. So let's listen to what the log drum sounds like. So that's for the log drums. That's for the log drums. So, and that's everything, typically everything about the beat. So now let's listen again. Let's listen to everything again. So let's see how it sounds. Also, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So if you like this beat, you can drop a comment in the comment section that I want it, then I'll get it to you. So let's continue to get the beat. So that's that for this video. That's that for this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe, and also click on the notification bell